How to make a guy jealous at school. They say all is fair in love and war, and there are no many weapons more powerful than jealousy. The first thing you need to do is to have a great time. Flirt and talk with other guys. Post some pictures on social media to let him know you have fun without him. And if that's not enough, here are 8 tricks to make your ex-boyfriend, current boyfriend, or the crush jealous. 1. Make sure he has feelings for you. If you want to make the guy jealous, make sure he has feelings for you. If he is not interested in you, he won't be jealous. The good news is, if you have dated or you are dating him, he is certainly interested in you. The same with the guy who is flirting with you. If you are not sure if he likes you or not, you can try to make him jealous anyway. You never know what his feelings are, but there are signs you can notice. Is he paying extra attention to you in groups? Do you always catch him staring at you? Then there is a chance he has a crush on you. 2. Look your best. Going around on your bedhead and wearing sweatpants probably won't make him jealous. Wearing mini skirt and stilettos is certainly not the goal either. What you should do is to look pretty darn cute when you know he is going to be at the place you are going. Make some effort to look like you spent some time on your appearance. Wear flattering clothes. Put some makeup. Style your hair. Just remember, you don't want to look like a supermodel or celebrity, but rather like the best version of yourself. 3. Let him see you having a great time. The best thing you can do to make the guy jealous is to have a good time without him. This can mean dancing it up at a party, having fun with your girlfriends, or just do something you like to do and that makes you happy. Give it all your attention and show you are not thinking of him at all, because you are busy having an amazing time. Just make sure he really has no clue he's on your mind. If he catches you checking on him or trying to put on an act for him, he is not going to be very jealous. 4. Stay busy. Do things you like to do. If you are busy having fun and don't always have time for him, he will start to get a little jealous. This trick works great, especially with an ex-boyfriend, because you let him realize you have moved on with your life and doing great without him. And even if this technique doesn't work for you, being busy is much better than obsessively thinking about him. If you really can't get rid of him from your mind and don't have much to do, make a point of making your schedule more packed. He will be more interested if he sees you doing things that matter to you. 5. Flirt with other guys. Many men are very competitive by nature and nothing drives them crazier than seeing a girl they are interested in flirting with another guy, especially when another guy appears to like you. Even a guy who didn't notice you before may take an interest. Watch out though, if you start flirting with many guys in a short period of time, and usually you don't act like that, he might catch on. Second thing, you don't want to make a bad impression that you are easy to flirt with. Just don't make it too obvious. 6. Try ignoring him lightly. If you meet him with someone else, say hi to the friend and not him. If he likes you, he will act immediately. If not, he probably doesn't care. Just remember not to ignore him completely, especially if he reaches out to you. You don't want to be rude but not give him too much attention either. Just let him know you noticed him. If the guy texts you a lot, don't respond immediately. Wait a day or two to let him know you have better things to do than text him back ASAP. If you are walking and he says hi, passing you, say hi back. But don't slow down to talk. You have places to go. 7. Use social media. You don't have to post a photo of yourself on the beach playing volleyball with a group of hot guys. However, use your Instagram, Twitter or Facebook to share a few photos of you having fun and living a great life without him. When you meet with your male friends, take some photos and post them mentioning an amazing party or museum you went to as a group. Using social media is a great way to make a guy jealous and to show him that you have a whole life that doesn't include him. Remember not to post too often though. It will look like you don't have life at all and have the opposite effect. 8. Don't be a total jerk. When you try to make a guy jealous, it will require from you not to be the nicest person in the world. Try not taking it too far. If you talk about other guys all the time, ignore him, and be mean in general, he will eventually see you as a person he doesn't want to date, or even know. Other people in your life may be annoyed by your behavior as well. You can be a little mean, but don't lose sight of who you are. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and click that like button.